Okay. So we'll see what is mean by calls in arrears and calls in advance. So far, whatever we seen, the entry is very easy, and now the difficulty is going to start. See, if everyone in the world is good means there is no problem. If everyone in the world is good means there is no problem. When the problem arises, if they started, not possible, if they are started giving the transaction for credit, if we start giving the transaction for credit, here the problem starts. Whenever the person who taking debts, there the problem starts. Or if I am the company, I am selling assume I am an automobile company, I am having two-wheelers. Two-wheeler sales in 2010, 5, 15, it was very slow. Four-wheelers also is very slow, very low. Okay. Why? Because no one is having a huge money with them. They are not having that much earnings. But nowadays what is happening? Everyone is buying car. How everyone is buying a car? EMI option is there, no? Come on. Assume there is a EMI case. 20 rupees is my money, in which same 15 rupees I will take, in which 15 rupees application allotment call. How much is there for application? 6. Allotment? First call? 5 rupees. How much security premium I said in application? 4 to 3132. This is the case I said. It means this is the first month EMI, and this is the second month EMI, and this is the third month EMI. Everything will go smooth if all my 10,000 shares paid the money. There, my transactions for the accountant is very simple if all the 1,000 shares has been, a person who is holding the 1,000 shares, paid the all money. Application also he paid, allotment also he paid, call money also is paid. The problem starts when? If a person failed to pay allotment money, call money after purchasing the application. I sold one bike, it is 15 rupees. He paid 6 rupees. He paid 6 rupees. He paid allotment also 4 rupees. But the third month I keep on calling him. He is not at all giving me the response. He failed to pay. I am waiting for 1 week. I am waiting for 1 week. Possible, no? I am waiting for 1 week. Okay, va? He is not at all giving reply. Another 1 week I am sending a letter, post letter I am sending. He is not at all in the home itself. He went somewhere. He is not at all there in the address. He became bankrupt. Something happened to him. I don't know. So what I will do? I will wait. Whether that money is received for me? Whether that money is received for me? Okay, what I will do? I will wait. Let him pay. Or else he is telling that, sir, it is not possible for me to pay in the third month. It is not possible for me to pay in the third month. I will pay some other day. I will pay some other month. Give me 1 month time, 2 months time. So whether I received that money? No, I have not received money. At the time of receiving, if the company did not receive any money at the time of allotment or call money, such amount and transaction is called as calls in arrears. That is called as calls in arrears. Napa? Receivable money but not received. Receivable money not received. Why it is not received? Because the shareholder were unable to pay the money. Means shareholder unable to pay the money. Shareholder unable to pay the money. Is called as what? Calls in arrears. Okay. So assume he did not pay, he paid only application, allotment and call money he did not pay. So I need to compare here pa. In application remain copy paste. Application remains copy paste. Same entry for application. Bank account debit to equity share application. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital to securities premium. First entry remains same. First entry remains same. But in second entry also, this third entry remains same pa. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital to securities premium. How much I want to receive? 4,000 I want to receive. 4,000 I want to receive. For how many shares? 1,000 shares I want to receive. But what happened here is, a person holding 200 shares. A person holding 200 shares unable to pay the allotment money and call money. Unable to pay the allotment money and call money. So whether I will receive the allotment money? Whether I will receive the allotment money? No, I will not receive the allotment money. Why I will not receive the allotment money? Because that person is unable to pay. How many shares? A person holding 200 shares, out of 1,000 shares, a person holding 200 shares failed to pay the allotment money and the call money. So write it here. Mr. A holding 200 shares, right pa? 200 shares failed to pay allotment and call money. Mr. A holding 200 shares failed to pay allotment money and call money. Now what is the journal entry? Allotment how much I should receive? 4 rupees. And first call means call amount how much I want to receive? 5 rupees. Whether I received it for 200 shares? No. So what is the journal entry? Allotment remains same. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital to securities premium. How much amount? 1,000 into 5 allotment 4. Allotment is 4 rupees. Very nice. Allotment is 4. That comes to I need to receive 4,000. 3,000 for allotment and 1,000 for securities premium. Correct? But in bank account, next entry is bank account debit, calls in arrears account debit, account debit to equity share allotment. In allotment I need to receive 4,000. In allotment I need to receive 4,000. But I am not going to receive 200 rupees into 4. 200 shares into 4. That comes to 800 rupees I am not going to receive. 800 rupees I am not going to receive. So I will receive only 3,200 rupees. I am going to receive only 3,200 rupees.
Bank account 2 calls
Calls in arrears.
other 2 calls in arrears.
Okay. Why calls in arrears is debited? Debit all expenses and losses. In credit all income and gains. Nominal rule. Actually I want to receive 4,000. But Mr. A holding 200 shares failed to pay the allotment money. அப்போ எவ்வளோ வரல? How much are not received? 800 rupees. So how much is the receivable for me? 4,000. How much is not received? 800. So if you subtract, what will you get? 3,200 is a receipt money in the bank account. புரியலையா? 4000 ரூபாயில 800 ரூபாய் வரல. எவ்வளோ தான் வந்திருக்கு? அது கொஸ்டின் கவனிக்கணும். அப்போ தான் தூங்கிட்டு இருந்தேன் நீ தான். Mr. A holding 200 shares failed to pay the allotment money and call money. Allotment காசு கட்டல. Actually there are 1000 shareholders, 1000 shares. Okay, Mr. A holding 200 shares did not pay the allotment money. புரியுதா? லோகே சொல்லு.
பர்சன் வந்து 4000 ரூபாய் நமக்கு தரணும்னா
4000 ரூபாய். அலாட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு
4000 தரணும்னா
4000 தரணும்ல, வரணும்.
4000 வரணும்னா அவன் வந்து 3200 தான் வச்சுக்கான். So 800 வந்து கால்ஸ் arrears.
Yeah, because he did not pay. சொல்லு. Why only 3,200 company received? Not partner, shareholder. How many shares he is holding?
200 shares. அதனால வந்து அவர் ஷேர்ஸை பொறுத்து இந்த மீதி ஷேர்ஸ் வந்து 3,000.
Very nice. சொல்லு.
நான் இப்போ எனக்கு வந்து அலாட்மெண்ட் பண்ணி 4 rupees போகும். 1000 ஷேர்ஸ் போகும், 4000 வரணும் எனக்கு அலாட்மெண்ட் பண்ணி. பட் ஆனால் வந்து என் கூட இந்த 4 பார்ட்னர்ஸ்ல 4 ஷேர் ஹோல்டர்ஸ்ல 3 ஷேர் ஹோல்டர்ஸ் எனக்கு பே பண்ணிட்டாங்க. 3,200 பே பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
It means how many shareholders? 800 share. A person holding 800 shares, they paid the money.
அவங்க பே பண்ணாங்க. பேலன்ஸ் 200 வச்சிருந்தவங்க மட்டும் பே பண்ணல. ஏன்னு கேட்டா நான் லேட்டரா பே பண்றேன், இப்போதைக்கு நீ என்டர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ.
அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, it means in bank account the company will receive money only for 800 shares. Understood? Pakka. Easy pa. Okay, local. This is called as calls in arrears. This is called as calls in arrears. Okay va? Can you try for call money? Everyone, can you try for call money? Yes, give a try. Give a try for call money. Try by yourself. Only call money you try. What is journal entry? Equity share, call account debit to equity share capital to security premium. In bank account receipt entry, bank account debit, calls in arrears account debit to equity share call amount. Calls in arrears how much? 200 shares. 200 shares into what is the call money? What is the call money pa? 5 rupees. 5 rupees is the call money. So 5 rupees I will not receive. Okay. So calls in arrears is 200 into 5. Just do it. Correct. Just to do it by yourself. Don't see the screen.
Account 4,000, call in 100,000 to equity share call 5,000. So in the first entry to security premium. 5,000, 3,000, 2,000.
Thousand into 5 into 4 into 1 to 1.
So into 3 into 2, sir.
3 into 2.
3,000, 2,000.
3,000 and 2,000. It's a security premium. I want to receive 5,000. I want to receive,
5,000.
but company received only
4,000.
why?
200 into
Because a person holding 200 shares did not pay 5 rupees. That comes to 1,000. So how much only I have received?
4,000.
Only 4,000. It means 800 shares into 5. 5 8s are 40. Are you getting pa? Easy.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Very simple. So the outcome, calls in arrears means what we should do? We should put it in the debit side of the journal entry. Okay? Easy? Alright. So now we will teach journal entry for calls in advance. Calls in advance. Full journal entry only. Okay?
So easy.
Or easy. There, wait. Okay? See, they will not ask separately. They will combine all the thing in one sum and they will ask. Yes, I will teach you, don't worry. It's a very simple chapter. Yes, ledger also is there. Okay? Most of us, ledger is not there. Only few sums there are ledger. I will teach you the ledger also. So what is mean by calls in advance then? What is mean by calls in advance? There will be a cash unit to pay. Yes or no? Everywhere there will be a cash unit. What they will do? They will come and sit in our company. How much one share? 20 rupees, sir. 20 rupees. Take it. Sir, I don't want 20 rupees. Application 10 rupees. Allotment 7 rupees and 3 rupees. Another application is 15 rupees. Total amount is 15 rupees. 6 rupees on application. Allotment is 4 rupees and 5 rupees on call money. He will say, hey, what? That is BD amount, nothing. Okay, take it. 15 rupees take. Give me 1,000 shares. I will itself fully buy. No, sir, we will not give all 1,000 shares to one person. We can able to give only 200 shares per person maximum. Okay, give me 200 shares. I will pay all the money in application itself. You keep it. Don't disturb and call me. Okay, don't call and disturb me in between for application, allotment, call money. Don't disturb me. I will pay all the money in application itself. Getting? Understanding? Okay. What the person will do? Company will receive all the money at the time of application itself. All the money at the time of application itself. The excess application received money will be transferred to the
calls in advance.
Okay, va? Simple example, pa. You are studying in school, no? So there are two types of parents. In the beginning of the year itself, they will pay all the money. In the beginning of the year itself, they will pay all the money. And there are some other types of parents where they will pay term by term. First term, second term and third term. Okay, va? What is mean by that first type of parent? They will pay all the 3 terms money in the single term itself. So in school at all like this only they will record the journal entry. In schools, term 1, term 2, term 3. So there are 3 terms. They will record the transaction like this only. But there are some parents, they will pay all the money in a single payment, in a application. Whenever you are doing application for the school, no, at that time itself they will pay the application money, allotment money and call money. In that there are some parents, they will pay application, but allotment and final call they will not pay. They will pay at the end of the year of the school. Yes or no? Possible? No. At the end of the year only, what the parents will do? They will pay the money. Possible, right? Yes, it is possible. Only at the time of hall ticket they will pay. That also why they will pay. If they pay the fees, then only they will get the hall ticket. So only they will pay. There is one of my friend, until 9th standard he did not pay fees. 10th standard also he did not pay fees. Only before hall ticket, then when it was given, at that time only he paid only the 10th standard fees. 9th standard fees he did not pay it itself. Okay. So that is a calls in arrears for the school. Calls in arrears means it is a bad debts. Okay. Only in share capital it is a calls in arrears. In real life it is a bad debts. Okay. Why here only it is a calls in arrears? Because It is a compulsory payment. It is a compulsory payment. Taking partnership, taking a ownership in a company is not simple. Taking ownership in a company is not very simple. It is very, very difficult. Okay, va? See, if you apply any company shares, no, you won't get it. For example, recently Ather launched his share capital. Ather company, you know, no? Ather electric scooter. They launched the share capital. Okay. There are only 20,000 shares, 20,000, 2 crore rupees shares, 1,000 shares they are there. Okay. Each person can able to do the application amounting to only 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs only. Okay, ma? Everyone will not get the share. Only few persons will get the share. Only few persons will get the share. I got one share. Okay, ma? I got one lot. One lot is equal to 150 shares, 80 shares. It will be there. Its value is 14,000 rupees. Per lot share value another 14,000 rupees. Like this I got, pa. Like this sum I got. How 1,000 shares into 4? Like that. The share price of that Ather is 120 rupees or something, and I got it. Okay. So everyone won't get. Only few persons will get. But in previous year only there are application, allotment, final call. In current scenario, all the money in a single term. In recent days, all the money will be collected in a single term, single payment. Application allotment call la illa, only one payment. Equity share application allotment account debit to equity share. Sorry, bank account debit to equity share application allotment. Equity share application allotment account debit to equity share capital. Only 2 entry in real life. Okay. Then why sir we are learning like this at all? These are the basics, pa. Okay, va? These are the basics. If any company is launched by any new company is going to launch the share capital, they can come into application allotment concept. Okay, va? So it is possible. Okay, va? Say, you understood now? Easy? But we are going to see now calls in advance, cashew case. Calls in advance. What is mean by calls in advance? Same thing. In 1,000 shares, a person holding 200 shares, paid all the money in application itself. He paid all the money in application itself.
15 shares only.
15 shares.
15 rupees.
15 rupees he paid in application itself. But here there we need to do some workout. Some working note we have to follow. Normally company will receive 1,000 into what is application rupees? 6 rupees. That comes to 6,000. In allotment 1,000 into 4, 1,000 into 5. That comes to 4,000 and 5,000. This is the normal case. Normally this thing only will happen. But in case of calls in advance, company will receive 800 into, not 800, 1,000 into 6, 6,000 plus 200 into 15 lakhs. 15 minus 6, 9 rupees. 2 9s are? Everyone will pay 6 rupees. But a person holding 200 shares, he paid the allotment money and call money. What is allotment money and call money? 4 plus 5. That comes to 9 rupees. Correct? 4 plus 5, 9 rupees. This is the advance money, yes or no pa?
Yes, sir.
Now I required application 6 rupees. In allotment and call money, how much is the excess of rupees? 9 rupees, no. A person holding 200 shares paid this advance money in application itself. So at the time of application, company will receive 1000 into 6 rupees, that is 6000, and additionally Mr. A holding 200 shares paid the call money, sorry, allotment money and call money in application itself. Na sollu Gokul.
Person வந்து allotment பண்ணி call பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தா ஒரே நேரத்துல
எப்போ கட்டறான்? In case of application itself he is paying. Getting ah? So
600 is 6000.
Thank you. This thing I will write in green color. 200 shares into 6, that comes to
9.
I tested you, okay? Into 9, 1800. That comes to
7,800.
bank account.
so at the time of application in my bank account, how much it will receive?
7,800.
Whether I will take all 7,800 into capital? No. As per accrual concept, whenever the money arised, at that time only it will be transferred to the capital. So what is the journal entry for application?
Bank.
And for allotment also I will say the journal entry. I will do for working note. For allotment, how much I need to receive? 1000 into 4. That comes to
4,000.
4,000. But whether I will receive all 4,000 allotment? No. Why? Because a person holding 200, he will not pay. Why he will not pay? Because he paid before itself. Because he paid
Before.
So at the time of allotment in my bank account, I will receive only 3,200. Getting புரிஞ்சுதா? Call money. Same for call, 1000 into how much call money? 5 rupees. The company need to receive 5,000. But Mr. A holding 200 shares, he will not pay 5 rupees. Why?
battery low undu.
மறுபடியும் வருதா? சுவிட்சே போடலடா. Okay. So how much? What ma? What happened ma?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Audible?
Some sound is coming while you're
What sound is coming?
something like mechanic. Now it's fine.
Okay, no?
Now it came back again.
But for me, nothing is audible. Everyone mute yourself, ma. Okay. Can you record that sound and send me in your phone?
Now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Okay, if it is comes now,
Before it came sometimes. Even though I rejoined, it was the same.
Oh. But for me, it's nothing coming. Okay. Srija, for you also, everything is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, in call money also, the company is going to receive 5,000, but company want to receive 5,000, but a person holding 200 share paid the money in application itself, so he won't pay the money, so company will receive only 4,000. This is called as setting off. Enappa? Setting off it will happen. This advance money, calls in advance money will be set off. Calls in advance money will be set off. Okay? This is the case pa.
So one second, sir.
Journal entry.
We'll do the journal entry.
So one second.
First you understand the concept in a mathematical way. Once you understood in a mathematical way, it is very easy for us to do the calculations in the journal entry. What is the journal entry for application? Everyone tell me.
Equity share.
Bank account debit, equity share, application. I will write short form, you don't write short form, you write full form. How much I will receive in case of application? 7,800. In narration also is compulsory. Being application money received with the advance அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு refer working note number 1. This is the working note number 1. You should give the reference for working note. Okay. What is the second journal entry? Equity share, application account debit,
To equity share capital.
equity share capital account, to
Secretary.
call okay, correct. To securities premium, to
Calls.
calls in advance. Enappa? Calls in advance account. How much rupees I received? 7,800. How much it will go to capital?
4,000.
1,000 into 4. How much is advance security premium? 1,000 into 1. 1 or 2? Sorry, 2. How much is the extra money?
1,800.
800 into 9. Sorry, 200 into 9.
200 into 9.
Clear pa? That comes to 4,000, 2,000, 1,800. If you add debit and credit, it should match pa. This is the magic. See the level. Okay. You should think like this. I received application, but capital it will go only authorized value, and in security premium amount it should go, and then the calls in advance should go. This is the case. Okay. Third case. Second.
Equity share.
Allotment, can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, try by yourself. Try pannu. Don't see the screen.
Share allotment 3,000 போடணுமா 4,000 அப்படியே போடணுமா?
4,000 தான் போடணும்.
பேங்க் மட்டும் தான்.
பேங்க் மட்டும் தான் எஃபெக்ட் ஆகும். Here, why calls in arrears is credited pa?
நானும் சேர்க்கலாம்.
Why calls in arrears is credited? Because it is a
income.
advance money income. Okay, debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gains. Okay va? So this is a income and gain. But we cannot say it is a income. It is a type of liability where it should be set off again. So once it is set off, the credited amount should be debited.
Yeah. We should treat as liability, then we should cancel it off.
Correct. We should treat it as a liability and we should set off. Okay. So the amount is 200 into 4.
Payment received in advance, like that only, no?
Yeah. Getting pa? 3,200, 800, Actually I need to receive 4,000, but company will receive only 3,200. Why? Because 800 rupees the company has received in application itself. Are you understanding? Okay. For Shaktivel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
For you, this is the advance money which is received by the company. The company need to pay the interest to that shareholder. For that concept is there for you, pa. For ICIC and Cambridge students,
Which concept, sir?
this calls in arrears, the company need to pay the interest to the shareholder, because company is having excess money, no, of the shareholder. So the company want to pay the interest to the shareholder in real life. So only company will say, even though you are a cashew nut, don't pay the excess money, pay the money whatever I ask.
If you pay in excess, I have to pay.
Interest. Okay? Or else if you want to pay me, give me, I will give you one bond. I am accepting the advance deposit
But
without the interest. Okay? Like this there is a concept.
ICSE super, sir.
Okay? Okay. Understanding now? What journal entry? Repeat with me. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital to securities premium. Receipt entry, bank account debit, calls in advance account debit to equity share allotment. Why calls in advance is debited? Calls in advance is only credited only, no? Because when it was comes in, it should be credited.
Credited.
When it was set off, it should be debited. When it comes in, it should be debited. When it was setting it off, it should be debited. Okay, nice, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very logical. Nagavya, enjoying the sum, no? I can understand from your face. Now the third journal entry. What is journal entry?
Call.
Entry. Do. You itself do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are doing this sum without my support, definitely in exam you can able to crack this. Yes, call entry. You itself try. You guys try. நான் எப்பயோ முடிச்சிட்டேன். Not instead of calls in arrears, என்னப்பா? Instead of calls in arrears, it should be a calls in advance.
Cheating, sir. Cheating.
Not cheating. How many times I am only writing or not writing? No, you write.
I wrote everything.
Okay? Back பண்ணிடு. Okay வா? Easy? Okay? Huh?
Write it down.
அப்படி ஓ அதுக்கு வச்சிருக்கியா? ஓகே கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி வை.
Calls are debited. Calls in arrears debited. Calls in arrears debited. Calls in advance debited.
ஆமா. Whenever it is calls in advance, whenever we are receiving, it should be credited. When we are setting it off, it should be debited. But calls in arrears, when it was incurred, when calls in arrears arises, it should be debited. But
it is setting off.
And when the person pays the, say for example, application allotment call money. Application he paid. Allotment he did not paid. At the time of call money, he paid the call money with the pending arrear amount. Case possible, no? Possible, no? A person pays the arrears money with the call money. Okay? Arrears money with the call money. புரியுதா? So what will be the amount calculation? Company will receive 1000 shares into 5 rupees plus 200 into 4 rupees. Why 200 into 4 rupees? Allotment is 4 rupees,
4
no?
rupees.
So that 200 into 4 rupees we will receive extra. At the time of call. At the time of call. Actually, call I need to receive 5,000 pa. I need to receive 5,000. With that additionally, the allotment money 200 calls in arrears, 200 into 4 only, no? 200 into 4 I will receive at the time of call. Nice, no? Okay, see the level of the questions. Okay, wow. How it was framed. Because in real life it was happening, ba. In real life it will happen. Because everyone is not cashinet, no. Everyone is not born with a single silver spoon. Okay, va? We are pitala spoon and we are not having spoon itself. Okay, va? So the people will do in EMI also they won't pay properly. Practical, no. Okay, this is the case, pa. So by this we are completing the
Chapter.
basic logic. Okay, usually I will say that dialogue only. We are completing the chapter, but this is a basic. So we will see what are the things. Don't get afraid. I am not showing you. Break. I will give the break. Okay, this itself. This twist itself is a break only. What are the things that we are going to see in this chapter? We are going to see face value, market value, we completed. Second, full, over, under, we completed. அடுத்தது par value, premium value, discount value, we completed. Calls in arrears, calls in advance, we completed. Okay. Further, what is there? Pro rata is there. Okay, va? Pro rata is there. Separately, pro rata is a very important part. Okay, va? Separately, pro rata alone is there. Forfeiture of shares, very important. Third, reissue. In forfeiture, there are two types of forfeiture: fully forfeiture, partial forfeiture. Partial forfeiture. In reissue also there are two types of reissue: fully reissue, partial reissue. And there is a concept of balance sheet,
Ledger.
and there is a final concept of
Ledger.
purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is very easy, pa. Okay, very easy. In balance sheet, balance sheet also a little bit easy only. There are three concepts in balance sheet. Okay. Subscribed capital, fully paid, not fully paid, forfeiture and reissue. Okay, va? Fully subscribed, not fully subscribed, and forfeiture and reissue. Only these concepts are there, pa. Okay, va? So we are completed. What are things we completed? Fair value, market value, fully, over, under, par, premium, discount, calls in arrears, calls in advance, pro rata basis, forfeiture of shares, reissue of shares, balance sheet concept, and purchase consideration. Okay. And in reissue, in between there is another concept, capital reserve. Okay. Under reissue there is another concept: reissue at par, premium, discount. easy only, it will repeat. Already we seen pa. Okay va, par premium, only discount is pending. Discount we will see. Okay, so now we'll go to sums or else we'll go for pro rata.
pro rata முடிச்சிடலாம்.
Pro rata முடிச்சிடலாமா?
4 பிக்சர்
Pro rata, whatever I thought,
same
you
rates.
need some time to understand pro rata. So today we will see some basic sums, easy UGP sums, and further we will go for 4 feature sums at all. Seriya? Take our 5 minutes break.